would you like to have?
No pink.
This purple. I don't think we have any more pinks though. You want peach color? Oh, pink. Do you want pink?
I like this.
And what color would you like me to have?
Maybe this?
This one? What color is this?
Blue.
Good. I'll do a blue boat and you'll do what color?
Purple.
Good. Okay, ready? It's a little bit difficult. Can you do it?
No.
I think you can do it. Do you want to try?
Yes, I will.
Okay, so let's put the paper down on the table. First, I want you to hold the sides like this. So hold one side and hold one side. So put on the table. Yeah. Now move both the sides up like this. Now push them down like this. And make them connect in the middle. Okay? And then...
Teacher, can you wait for me?
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
It is...
Like that.
Teacher, it is red.
So you should put them both at the same time, okay? And then make them touch. Make them touch in the middle. Good job.
And this one too.
Yeah, so you push them both down nicely.
Yeah.
So now get the corner like this and make a triangle, like this. And then we're going to do the same on this side, a triangle.
Teacher, it is
It's okay.
nothing.
So if you look, you have to make everything go on the line. Can you see the line like this? So if we make the line here, and then we make the line next to it, on the line. Good job. Can you push? Now let's change to this side and do the same one more time, okay?
Teacher, it is not the right way.
Let me see. Okay, you do this one, I'll make this look nice, okay? So, and do the same two triangles, okay?
Yeah.
Good. Finished?
Yes.
Now this is the very difficult part. Okay, ready? And now we have to fold this top bit down, just a little, okay? Not too much. Oh, a little bit more, just a little bit more. Like this, okay? And can you do the same for this one?
Good.
So you should have two like this.
Oh.
Good job. So let's push them both. Okay, and now we can open like this.
Wait. No, of course, I have to fold like this.
Okay, so hold this like this now.
This?
So open like this. Good. And now inside we have to pull open. Okay, but you have to go outwards. So this one wants to go like this, outwards. Good, can you do the same for this one? Outwards, like this. Good, now make it very, ooh, wow, your boat's very wide. Let's make it a little bit narrower. There we go. So you have your boat now. Now this boat will go on the water.
Now let's try water.
You want to find some water?
Yeah.